Hi everyone, Heath and Ashleigh here. Today we are talking about top 5 things to splurge on or make sure you have when you're doing your renovation. So Ashleigh came up with a list. It's been a little bit since we did a video together, so we're just getting going here. It looks like we are sponsored by Red Bull today.
Yeah.
So Ashleigh bought us some Red Bulls.
Needed.
I'd give you a cheers, but you're really far away.
I know.
This is the first time.
Do we
I've
like
had you
it
this
though?
far.
Do we like being this far from you?
I don't know.
Okay, so a lot of people we're seeing in 2026 are making their current homes work. And so that means doing some renovating, some remodeling. A lot of things people are focusing on. We've got comfort, functionality, wellness, durability, which our household definitely needs, and just staying in the home longer. So making that same space, but just work better.
And we're definitely seeing that. A lot of our clients that come to us, they have a really good interest rate on their home. So a lot of people are staying in the home, but fully renovating, making it someplace they're going to stay for a long time.
All right, you ready for upgrade 1?
Yeah, let's
All
hear
right,
it.
it's a splurge.
Okay.
Heated floors in your bathroom.
Okay. In the bathroom.
What do you
I like
think?
it. Definitely. If you're remodeling your bathroom, some contractors, I'm not going to lie, will tell you, hey, it's $3,000-$4,000 to do. You can get some really good systems for heated floors as long as you have the electrical room in your panel to do it. It's definitely a good splurge. If you've ever had heated floors in a tile bathroom, it's great to walk on. You can also set it up to a timer too.
Oh, see, that's nice. Because I feel like in the summertime, I don't really like maybe right away, but not all the time.
Yeah, that's right. So you can set it up to a timer. You can just turn it off in the summer if you want, but then you can set it up to a timer so it starts warming up at like 5 a.m. or something like that if you're an early riser.
Like
so
the coffee.
It's nice and ready to go.
It's like the new coffee pot.
Get your coffee and stand on your heated tile floors. But yes, that's a good add-on. If you are renovating though, sometimes clients want to put heated floors in their whole house. And it's much more expensive to retrofit and do heated floors in an entire house than it is just select areas. So I usually encourage it as part of a remodel in your tile floors or on your bathroom floors.
Sure. Do you remember that one client that asked you if you could do a heated driveway?
Yes.
So the snow would melt?
Well,
solid splurge.
Yes, that's a solid splurge. And I'm not gonna lie, we've done a couple of those and they're great.
Yeah.
But they're expensive to run.
Well, sure.
Number 2, what do we got?
All right. I know you're going to be a fan of this one. 100%. This is like your favorite thing. An outdoor kitchen. It's sold already. Heath's saying
I love it. I like cooking outside because one, when I cook bacon, I don't have to hear the complaint of the whole house smells like bacon.
It's not a complaint. It's a fact.
It is a fact, but you know, I like to cook breakfast. I think outdoor kitchens are a great extension of your living space. So in Colorado, especially this year, we've had a pretty warm spring and even a pretty warm winter. So a lot of our clients that are staying in their homes and they want more space are expanding it to outdoor living. So that outdoor living could include like a covered patio, a fireplace area, maybe even a TV outside or an outdoor kitchen, nice outdoor dining area, all these different areas that basically extend the living space of your home to the outside.
Yeah, I like that. You just got to be really fancy and get your TVs to sync up inside and outside on game day.
That's right. There's a trick to that. But if you want to know it, you got to call us to figure out that trick.
Way to sell it.
Yeah.
Upgrade 3. All right, I read something today that says the sexiest thing in renovation right now is storage space. So upgrade 3, built-ins versus furniture.
Okay, I like it.
We're not looking for pretty. We want it to work. We want it to be function, still look good in the home, but it's got to be great. We're talking kids' backpacks, shoes, coats, all your stuff.
Okay.
You know, we got to store it somewhere.
Well, I will say I've never built a built-in that's not amazing and looks great. I'm not looking to just build a functional built-in that's cheap.
Subpar built-in.
Yeah, but built-ins are a great addition to a space. A lot of little projects, just maybe an office renovation or something, we're doing built-ins on a back wall. We're doing built-ins for a printer or something like that. Great to add little storage to different areas of the home. And especially if you're going to stay in your home, you want to stay there for a while, make it your own. Pick a material you like, a color you like, and really spend some time designing it to fit the space.
Yeah. Everybody that's walked into our house and has seen those built-ins, immediately they say, wow, because they look so good.
That's right.
They look great.
And also, if you're in the Denver metro area and you're doing a renovation with us, we will build built-ins for you in our own shop. But if you need them for yourself, JTH Carpentry, great local carpenter that builds built-ins. Definitely give him a call if you're looking for a built-in.
All right, ready? Upgrade 4.
Okay.
Drop zones. I'm here for it. So
She may have
we're
made
talking.
this list for me.
We're talking. I know, like how I'm just like low key telling him all the things that I want in my house. A drop zone. So right near the mudroom entrance, it's kind of a catch-all for everything, but it looks nice and it functions.
Okay.
So we want the storage space. We want it there for everything.
Yeah, and I will say for a drop zone, if you're going to add that to your renovation, a lot of times it's going to be right in the mudroom, kind of with your built-ins. You can use your countertop material. So a lot of times, something people don't know is like when you pay a granite fabricator to do your countertops for your kitchen, usually there's always a leftover piece that's like 4 feet by a couple feet. Just go ahead and get a couple more cabinets and have them make a countertop for your drop zone too. So it's nice and durable, but also it doesn't cost much more.
All right, number 5. I think we both have a thought here. Basement apartments.
Okay.
So we're trying to keep your home, make it more functional. We're bringing the parents in. We're keeping the kids longer.
So this is like an upgrade for people that want to stay in their home longer, but they want to have more room for their family to live with them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. It's so weird because we just got rid of that space.
Yeah, I kind of deleted our extra bedroom to make a gym, but it's funny. I called my mother-in-law and told her right when I did it too. So, but yeah, I mean, it's definitely a trend I'm seeing, especially for people staying in their own home because they're wanting to make it to where they can live in the house for decades or a long time. So if anyone ever needs to take care of them, sometimes clients that are building a brand new home will make an ADU in the home. So if they ever have to have a caretaker, that caretaker can live right there.
Oh, wow. That's nice.
Yeah.
Just bringing a caretaker in.
That's
All
it.
right. Okay, we have one bonus one.
Okay.
One bonus upgrade. And it's an automatic yes for us because we've already done it. Automatic blinds.
That's definitely a great
It's so
upgrade on
great.
the renovation. What's really cool about automatic blinds, you can install them very easily, use batteries that charge maybe once a year, maybe every year and a half if you don't use them very often.
Yeah.
You can set
They're
them
great.
up to a schedule to where they close and open at certain times of the day. Or if you're out of town, you can even set them up to a schedule to where it looks like you're basically still there and home. So you have smart blinds.
He's just like, people will be like, oh, I better not break in there. Their blinds opened again.
Yeah, they're home.
I think crooks pay a lot of attention to blinds.
They
so.
do. You know, you never know out there. You got to protect your house.
Let's see the Home Alone.
Yeah.
I thought you said they were gone. We were supposed to leave this morning. Let's get out of here.
Out of those 5, I got a question for you.
Okay.
So number 1 was
Heated floors.
heated floors. Number 2, outdoor kitchens. Number 3,
Built-ins.
built-ins. Number 4,
Drop zones.
and number 5.
Basement apartments.
Out of those 5, if you were to pick just one for our house, what would you make sure we had? Okay, fine. You can pick 2.
Okay, I'd like built-ins in my bedroom.
Built-ins and anything else?
I mean, the heated floors I feel like would be pretty nice
Yeah.
in the master bathroom, but I'd want them on a timer though, because I'm not trying to like cook my feet at 2 p.m.
I would go with outdoor living. And-
Oh yeah, shoot. Why didn't I say that? Well, I knew that was a given because I knew he was going to do it anyway.
Okay,
I should have
outdoor
picked that.
living, and then also
a freebie.
I would go with heated floors.
Okay. All right, so we agree.
Heated
Looks
floors
like
it
we're
is.
all getting what we want.
That's our splurge for 2026. Okay, that's a wrap. If you are a local homeowner looking to do a whole home renovation or a large custom home, we'd love to work with you on it. Give us a call. Also, if you are interested in trends or just trying to figure out what to spend on your own renovation, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We'd love to help you out.